Hello guys, welcome back to another video of most important questions of chemistry, and the chapter name is thermodynamics. So now we start the video, and here the question number first, the total internal energy change for a reversible isothermal cycle is, and here the options: option A always 100 calories per degree, option B always negative, option C 0, option D always positive, and the correct answer is option C 0. Now move on question number 2. The temperature of the system decreases in N. And here the options: option A adiabatic compressive, option B isothermal compression, option C isothermal expansion, option D adiabatic expansion. And the correct answer is option D adiabatic expansion. Now move on question number 3. Mark the correct statement. And here the options: option A for a chemical reaction to be feasible, delta G should be 0. Option B entropy is a measure of order in a system. Option C for a chemical reaction to be feasible should be positive, and option D the total energy of an isolated system is constant. And the correct answer is option D the total energy of an isolated system is constant. Now move on question number 4. Which of the following is true for an adiabatic process? And here the options: option A delta H is equal to 0, option B delta W is equal to 0, option C delta Q is equal to 0, and option D delta V is equal to 0. So the correct answer is option C delta Q is equal to 0. Now move on question number 5. The law of Lavoisier and Laplace incentrate. And here the options: option A the principle of conversion of energy, option B equivalent of mechanical and thermal energy, option C the principle of conversion of matter, option D equivalent of mechanical and chemical energy. And the correct answer is option A the principle of conversion of energy. Now move on question number 6. Isothermal energy is. And here the options: option A partially potential and partially kinetic, option B totally kinetic, option C totally potential, and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option A partially potential and partially kinetic. Now move on question number 7. The spontaneous process, the entropy of system and its surroundings. And here the options: option A equal 0, option B decreases, option C increase, option D remain constant. And the correct answer is option C increase. Now move on question number 8. An irreversible process occurring isothermally in isolated system leads to. And here the options: option A 0 entropy, option B an increase in the total entropy of the system, option C a decrease in the total entropy of the system, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option B an increase in the total entropy of the system. Now move on question number 9. The internal energy of a substance. And here the options: option A increase with increase in temperature, option B decrease with increase in temperature, option C can be calculated by relation is equal to mc square, option D none of these. So the correct answer is increase with increase in temperature. And now the last question is: which of the following pairs of a chemical reaction is certain to result in spontaneous reaction? And here the options: option A exothermic and decreasing disorder, option B endothermic and increasing disorder, option C exothermic and increasing disorder, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C. So guys, this is the video. Like, share and सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.